Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to solve the problem with the ASUS Anti-Surge. In this case, with the mainboard of ASUS. If you have some issues like that, we have to press F1 on the keyboard. Then we're gonna see the BIOS. And after we're gonna be in BIOS, we have to go to advanced mode. Here you can have some different mainboard, but anyway you need to find the advanced mode. So click on it, click OK, and we're gonna see the advanced mode. Now in the advanced mode we have to go to the monitor. Here, as you see, there is a monitor, and we have to search anti-surge support, and in this case it's enabled. So click on it and click the disable it. Now we have to exit and save changes and reset. Yes. And that's it for now. Now the computer will turn on without any problem and issues with this case. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave a comment and leave subscribe.